If you're looking for a designer case for your S23 Ultra, then check out this one from Guess. Now, straight away, this case has been designed purely to get attention. You can see that from this plastic gold Guess logo on the back, and also this sort of gold G logo as well that's designed to most likely look like the Louis Vuitton logo, let's be honest. You then have that pattern printed on the back of the case as well. I will say the quality of the case is a bit subpar, to be quite honest. It looks probably better than it feels, and it doesn't really offer any protection to the S23 Ultra. The one thing going for this case, other than its design, is that it's very slim, so it adds almost no bulk to the S23 Ultra. However, saying that, because of that plastic logo on the back of the case, when you put it down, it does actually rock around quite a bit. Now, because the case is thin, the buttons are still nice and clicky, and also have slits next to them, so they're still nice and tactile and responsive. Now, as the case doesn't offer that much protection, I would probably recommend using this lanyard hole on the side of the case to ensure you don't drop your phone. Now, although the back of the case is supposed to look like leather, this is just printed on. However, it still does give a nice texture. Now, although this case is not something that I would personally buy, I can see the appeal. The Guess brand holds some sort of value to some people, and I suppose it does have a unique look, and you won't mistake your S23 Ultra for anyone else's. Let us know what you think of this case down in the comment section below, and if you are interested in buying this case, check out the links in the description below.